My name's Paul Moreland. I'm the property manager here at Thornwood 2, which is located at 25 Scrivener Square. The very first flood that we were able to avoid was within a couple of weeks. We had received a phone call within seconds that there was a leak in a washing machine.
Hello, this is Alert Labs. The Floody Flood Sensor has detected a flood in a laundry room of suite number 546.
Our security guard went upstairs to check it out, knocked on the door. The person who answered the door didn't think they had a water leak, so we actually went in and looked at the washing machine, and there was water all over. We were able to avoid any damage to the suite below. The person below wouldn't even know about it. It's helped us save definitely a few $1,000s because we've had about 3 or 4 of these happen. So it was a piece of cake setting it up. So, and it's been a piece of cake since whenever we installed it last fall. Of course, I would highly recommend it to anyone, whether it's a condo building or residentially.